Let's talk about a panoramic instrument like this Audi A4Q5, a repair strategy for black screen. How do we use an oscilloscope to determine? This meter is a data problem, something else that belongs to us. Like what? A problem with Astro Boy's integrated circuit controller. And now let's do a disassembly. So let's start with electricity. At present, with this current, about 200 milliamps, right? And currently it is in a black screen state. Now let's do a disassembly. Currently, it's around 200 milliamperes and 300 milliamperes. Remove our speaker plugs. After that, directly use a small screwdriver. Pry the shell out. This is all buckled, no screws. Good, so now we've taken it apart. After disassembling it, we still need to make our cover board, a PCB board of ours. Do another disassembly. Remove the instrument panel motherboard. There. Remove the cooling fan with 1 meter removed. Then in that case, we'll dismantle it. Now we are. 3 boards provide 1 power supply. Some panel. If plugged in, the current is also in hours, about 300 current. And now we're going to take an oscilloscope and look at one of our boost programs, an integrated circuit. Take a look at the oscilloscope. It also runs on our SPIB iOS bus. There are 10 signals, S-die and S-dot, right? Test it now. Now we are starting to cut off the power. Okay. And now we're going to make a change to one data at 25Q64. Good. At present, one of our 25Q64 data has been changed. After the change is completed, we will directly change the one we have changed. Write the data of the integrated circuit back to it, then install it. Now, let's take a look at one of ours. Changes in current. Test ours again. A clock signal for a running SPI and our die and SD signals. See if it's normal. Okay, now let's clean up our main board. Now let's take a look at our current. The current has obviously changed, right? We're almost there. So in this situation, the data we changed should be in a no problem state. Then it's still the same. Let's use an oscilloscope to measure the signal value of our chip selection. Right now, this is what it's reading into the program, right? Then let's test what we have. Test one of ours again. SDF and SD, right? Then test our horn. Let's test our second horn and our fifth horn. Horn 2 is an SS2 signal. Let's take a look, everyone. At present, if you look at it, S die signal. It also means reading into a program, right? Then test our horn 5 again. What is the number 5? Horn 5 is an SD5 horn. Take a look. Yes. Read state of the program. Then our words should be in a state of OK repair, right? And now we will put the meter on and try it. So here we are. Put one of our screens on it. Put all the cable plugs. Plug it all in. This display part, right? And then this part is one of our boosters. This part is one of our instrument core board, right? And inside here is one of Astro Boy's integrated circuit. There are still 4 DDRs left. This is one of our power sources. Now let's power it up and take a look. Show if it is okay. So from the current perspective, our instrument should be repaired. Okay, also lit is a normal state. Then we will repair this instrument for layout. Thank you all.